What's up, y'all? Ian here, Halfcutgarage. The adventure touring series y'all been waiting for is finally here. I hope you're excited. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We're gonna get off it right off the bat. This is gonna be a little bit of everything. We're gonna have some jet boating, we're gonna have some kayaking, we're gonna have some scenery, some wildlife, some camping, some RVing, and everything in between. So, hold on tight. We're all over the map. Let's get into it. Well, we're off on an adventure. Where are we going? Nobody knows. We gotta stop in Tetsa tonight. Not to work, just to pick up a Jenny. And then after that, we're just gonna be like a couple of gypsy hippies and go for a drive, and we'll stop wherever the trail takes us. Come along for the ride. Where is we? Where is we? Oh, top secret, eh? She's a skinny little spot to get into, let me tell you, but I one-shotted her. We are just overnighting here. We said to stop and grab a Jenny. We're gonna spend the night here and then carry on up the way. Hope this isn't a spoiler alert. Day 2 of our gypsy adventure. Work never stops, for that matter. I've got one little tidying up household job to take care of before we leave here. I'm gonna slide the bus ahead. And that big old tree has been identified as a danger tree. It's seen it start to die at the top. It's got a bunch of moss on it. It's gonna die eventually. It's gonna fall probably in the wrong direction and squish an outhouse or somebody. So now that we got the campers and everything out of the way, we're gonna drop that tree down and then get touring on our way up the Alaska Highway. She gone. Morning workout. Get my sweat on. Probably get rid of my sweater already. Better not steal the axe on them. Good to go. Hate to see you leave, but love to watch you walk away. Toad River. We found ourselves a little precipitation. But could you imagine living in a place like this? I don't know who this guy is, but I sure wish I was friends with him. Stepping on my hat, kidders. Cariboos. Boozers! Oh, my Lanta. It's been raining for a bit. We didn't even stop at Muncher Lake. Construction there was brutal. Here we are. I don't know, it said something about Boulder Canyon or something like that. We're not stopping here, but the winter's all need to go stretch their legs, and we need to stretch our legs, so we're gonna meander around for a minute and then start looking at where we're gonna find our next stop for the night. So let's see what we can have in store. Girly dog. Doo-doo-doo. Watching, girly? Look at the buffaloes. Andrews is looking, Mud's looking. there's disgusting human waste absolutely everywhere. Like, who comes to a beautiful lookout and like, well, that's just disgusting. Right in front of you. Right in the water, right in front of you. Like you just passed it on your left. Flapping in the water right here.